Hello, and welcome to another episode of ZEP Learning with myself, Zane, the owner and manager of ZEP Finance. What I'm talking about today is how do you draw equity out of your property? There is another video on the website, Equity Does Not Equal Borrowing Capacity. That might be another one that you want to watch before this, but I'll keep on going. So first of all, we need to know that you can afford the loan you're looking at getting. So the first step of the process is to figure out how much you can borrow. That requires us sending you some information and then getting that information back with your income details and figuring out how much you are able to borrow. Once we know that you can comfortably afford the new loan or the new increase you are looking for, then we need to make sure that you've got the equity in the property so the bank will allow you to get that extra equity out. So what this involves is getting a valuation or even multiple valuations on the property to see how much equity is available to you to take out of that property. Banks are often using different sorts of valuations, and quite often we can shop these valuations around to see who has the highest figure for you. That way we know that we're getting you the most possible equity that we can. Once we know that we've got the borrowing capacity, and then we know that the equity is available in the property, the next step is to then put an application into the lender and request to take those funds out. Depending on the amount of money we're taking out of that property, certain lenders will require different things to confirm what those funds are used for. If you're self-employed, this can be a little bit harder because they want to make sure that you're not going to be using the funds for business purposes. If it's to buy small renovations, they want to make sure that you're not changing the structure of your house so that we wouldn't need a building contract. So that's where we'll work with you to make sure that the reason you're getting the money out is acceptable to the lender, or if not, shop around to find which lender will accept that purpose. Then we put the loan application in, wait for it to get approved, and you probably say that within 3 to 4 weeks we should be able to get that money available to you. If you have any other questions, please give us a call. As always, our website is a great learning tool for you. Jump onto the website and in the top toolbar at the top, we have the Learn tab, which has a whole heap of information, fact sheets and calculators. And there's the Videos tab, where you'll find 25 plus videos explaining all different bits of the buying process. Thank you for watching this, and I look forward to talking to you shortly.